Chef Pippi's death. Hey guys, what are we going to do today?
Let's go play some Fortnite.
Fortnite battle. Okay, bet. But I don't have the PS5. I don't know what the fuck
It's
that
right
means.
there. Right there in that computer. That computer has Fortnite. Yeah!
Oh wait, what? Oh, there, dude!
Let me see.
Ah! Let's go! Time to play some Fortnite. Let me just enter this passcode.
Junior, Din is ready.
OMG! I'm here, Chef PP.
I give you this.
Oh, freaking good! This looks cool. Better shoot it. I just shot it. So, try to fucking kill you. Hold on. Meanwhile, I freaking beat him up. Yeah, get beat up. Get beat up.
What happened?
You're not supposed to see this. Just go! I can show you guys. No, wait. A while again. No. I just witnessed so many murders.
What the fuck?
Nah, redo. I just witnessed the biggest murders ever.
What the fuck?
What? What do you mean the fuck?
We got you grounded.
I'm not running up.
Mama, she told me.
What the fuck?
Oh, what the
Fuck. Shit. Ha! I just run out of here.
What happened?
It's a murderer! Ah! I just shot.